Welcome to TravelScout, your ultimate destination for travel inspiration. Today we're exploring the lively city of Joliet, Illinois. From historical landmarks to cultural attractions, Joliet has something for everyone. So, let's dive into the best things to do in this vibrant city. Our first stop is the Joliet Area Historical Museum. This captivating museum offers a glimpse into the rich history and heritage of the Joliet region. Explore the exhibits that showcase the city's industrial past, learn about the famous Route 66, and discover the stories of the people who shaped Joliet. Next, we have the Chicagoland Speedway and Route 66 Raceway. If you're a fan of motorsports, this is the place to be. Catch thrilling NASCAR races at the Chicagoland Speedway or witness high-speed drag racing at the Route 66 Raceway. Experience the adrenaline rush as cars zoom past and enjoy the lively atmosphere of these world-class racing venues. If you're looking for outdoor adventures, head to the Rock Run Preserve. This expansive nature preserve offers miles of scenic trails, perfect for hiking, biking, and horse riding. Immerse yourself in the beauty of nature, explore the diverse ecosystem, and enjoy the tranquility of this natural oasis. For a taste of the art, visit the Rialto Square Theatre. This stunning theater is a true architectural gem and hosts a variety of performances, including Broadway shows, concerts, and comedy acts. Catch a show in this historic venue and immerse yourself in the world of performing arts. Golf enthusiasts will appreciate a visit to the Joliet County Club. This prestigious golf course offers a challenging layout and picturesque landscapes. Tee off amidst rolling fairways, manicured greens, and scenic views, and enjoy a round of golf in this exclusive setting. To satisfy your shopping cravings, head to the Louis Joliet Mall. This bustling shopping center is home to a wide range of stores, from popular retail brands to local boutiques. Shop till you drop, indulge in delicious meal at the mall's eateries, and find the perfect souvenirs to take home. For a family-friendly activity, visit the Joliet Splash Station. This water park offers a variety of water slides, water pools, and lazy rivers, perfect for beating the summer heat. Make a splash, enjoy thrilling water attractions, and create unforgettable memories with your loved ones. To explore the city's natural beauty, visit the Pilcher Park Nature Center. This serene park features beautiful gardens, walking trails, and educational exhibits on local flora and fauna. Take a leisurely stroll, admire the colorful blooms, and reconnect with nature in this peaceful oasis. If you're a history buff, don't miss the chance to visit the old Joliet Prison. This iconic landmark served as a correctional facility from 1858 to 2002 and is now open for guided tours. Explore the cell blocks, learn about the prison's intriguing history, and uncover the stories of infamous inmates. To satisfy your taste buds, explore the vibrant dining scene in Joliet. From classic American cuisine to international flavors, there's something to please every palate. Indulge in delicious dishes, try local specialties, and experience the culinary delights that Joliet has to offer. As we come to the end of our video, we hope you've enjoyed discovering the best things to do in Joliet, Illinois. Whether you're interested in history, outdoor adventures, or cultural experiences, Joliet has it all. So, pack your bags and hit the road and create unforgettable memories in this dynamic city. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. And as always, stay curious, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Safe travels.